No, Mom, I'm not going to clean my room this time. Hi, guys. I didn't mean to click that. I'm Ow! Shut up. Okay, so don't shut up while your dog is on my finger, dog. Okay. So I was having an argument with my argument. I can talk. This is pretty early for me to be up. It's 1:38 in the afternoon. Or is it? I don't know. Okay. I want to complete my comments from yesterday. Nobody's doing this. Safety off. Okay. Yeah, I don't even want to know. Press blog cover. Okay. So I am basically blowing off time here in the Great Britain. In Great Britain, not the Great Britain. Well, I guess it could be the Great Britain. I'm here for guess what? I am here to buy an American-made airsoft gun. I am in the UK to buy an airsoft that was made in the US, hopefully. Okay, this is laggy. Okay, so just had to get that over with. Don't you do it, don't you do it, don't you do it. Ooh, 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 it didn't come yet, my bone isn't broken yet, it's not broken yet, don't do it. Not again, not again, not again, not again. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, I'll just sew those back on later. Yeah, that's in the UK. This is what I did to my room. I'm going to buy an American-made airsoft gun here, and that's why I came here. Not entirely, but yeah, sort of. Entirely. This minute is already 2 minutes and 24 minutes long. 28, whatever. 22, 30, whatever. I'm gonna be going over to my friend Joey's house later. You should probably check out his channel before you die. Did I just say that? I mean, if you die, not when I kill you. Sorry, did I just say that? My friend is over here, John. I'm probably gonna go hang out with Joey later when I get back, because I'm getting back to my place. Actually, in about... Well, you're probably leaving about like an hour or so. John is here. I'm not going to introduce. Hi, John, shut up. Did I just say that? I treat John, shut up. That's great, John. You just told me to get to the camera, like, how does it look? Right there. Oh, come on. Wait, okay. Okay. I can't do that. So, if you want to watch me, can you give me, like, hints? Never mind. I'm just done. I am done. Wait for the outro.